Now guys, today I'm gonna show you how to earn money with Linkvertise, but before you continue, don't forget to subscribe for more Linkvertise tutorials. Let's head over to Linkvertise Profitable Affiliate Program. So this program allows you to earn commissions on which sale you bring to Linkvertise. So this is how the Linkvertise program works. You should read this carefully. So you earn 5% of income commission. So meaning you have to earn with your own creative and digital assets on Linkvertise. First, the commission is just for your referral registration. So this is how the commission system works. So you're gonna be left at 5% left at commission. If you bring a creator who earns $100 a day, we're gonna monetize you until you get $5. So this is how the affiliate program works. So this is a real world example. Let's say you recruit 5 creators, you reach each of them earns $300 through Linkvertise. That's $15 per user, which adds up to $75. Then to earn that amount monthly, you're getting $75 every month on top of it. So this is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.